I just wanted to come on here and do a quick little, hopefully quick, makeup tutorial. This is funny. So I haven't done makeup in a while, but I got this red, like I haven't done this kind of makeup in a while. I got this red eyeshadow from Shein, and it's actually super pigmented. I think I paid like $2 or $3 for it, and I was just inspired by their Christmas palette too. So can you see that? So yeah, maybe this could be like a Valentine's Day look. I don't know. It is coming up. Valentine's Day is coming up, and I may not be pregnant when Valentine's Day gets here, so that would be good. Will I feel like doing my makeup? I don't know. So anyways, I always start off with my eyes because I don't know. I'll start off with my little Too Faced eyeshadow primer. You know what? It's pretty bright. And it actually looks more orange than red. We'll see what happens. It's cool. Yeah, I like it. So I'm gonna do right on the center like that on both eyes. I'm not a professional, if you haven't guessed. This is just the easiest way for me. Tomorrow's Tale, I think. This is a Stila palette. I got this so long ago, and as you can tell, I haven't really used it. I don't even know if you can still get it. This is Modern Renaissance Old Faithful, the best Anastasia palette. I think I'm going to go with Warm Taupe. Let's just see. It's not that bad. Okie dokie. Looks pretty clowny, but we'll get there. This little eye glitter eyeshadow thing. Ooh. Ooh, okay. And this is why we do our makeup after our eyes, everyone. Okay, so anyways, there's that one. Now, always have your baby wipes handy. Let's just, yeah. Let's just try it. You know, I don't ever do this. We're gonna try it. It's gonna be like a smoky ombre. Hey. I'm not gonna lie, it's not looking great. Try not to wrinkle my forehead too much because I got this like fine line thing going on up here because I'm old. Try not to accentuate my fine line. I haven't given her a name yet. So that's how I'm gonna do the top. I think that's all I'm gonna do. And then I'm just gonna put on some face, and then I'll come back and do the bottom part, okay? All right. Because y'all know how to put foundation on. Everyone knows how to do that. All I did was put a little bit of foundation on, filled in my brows, and I sprayed my face with some Too Faced Hangover. This stuff's old too. It still works. A little powder under my eyes for hard times. So I used to be like really big on that Laura Mercier powder. But here lately, I've just been using that Airspun Boomer powder. A little bit of that red. We got this. The red eye. Glitter. I should probably put a little glitter down there too. Y'all ever put red eyeshadow on before? Might be a first for me. I'm back with my Stila. Gonna use a little brown here. I hope y'all can see this. I hope I'm in the frame. Bring it up. Yes. I don't have a whole lot of space between my eyelid and my eyebrow, like a lot of these beautiful YouTube people. So I have to improvise. Tempera, that's the name of this color. It's the best one. I will fight you on this. Okay, not too bad. L'Oreal Voluminous Original. And then my eyeliner is just Wet n Wild in the black. And I like the brush tip, not the felt, like the brush. So I'll do that. I'll probably put some fake eyelashes on because that's what I've been doing lately. And then I'll come back and maybe we can decide on a lip color to use. Okay? Stay tuned. Alrighty, so I did my eyeliner, I did my mascara, and I put some falsies on. Let's all just take a moment and say a prayer for this eyelash because it is holding on to a prayer. I'm not the best at eyelashes. I'm new to this, and these are the cheapest eyelashes known to mankind. I found them off of Shein. And this old Fenty Beauty contour, I hope they still sell it because I'm gonna need some more soon. I haven't bought makeup in a little bit until recently. And I'm probably doing this all wrong. Red glitter all over my face. You know what? I need a mirror up there so I can look up there instead of down here. The brand of Shein makeup is She Glam. For the record, I have bought all of this with my own money, and I'm not sponsored or anything, but they need to sponsor me because I buy a lot of their stuff. Making these videos. All right. It's cute. Well, Anastasia. Just give her a little oomph. Last but not least, I have a couple of colors we can choose from. Me can choose from. I kind of want to go more for a neutral color just because the eyes are pretty crazy. I'm going to go with Bow and Arrow. Eye overline. Dedicated. Yeah, this color looks okay with the red. Okay, so now I need to figure out what to do with this mop on my head. Or do I? Be right back. There, that's better. Now I don't have to do my hair. This is just another little cheapy Amazon wig. Not bad. It's long. I think the blonde goes pretty good with the eyeshadow. So I'll show you. It's kind of, see my big belly? Big belly. Comes down to here. It's synthetic. Oh, it's cute. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope that this was helpful in some way. Yeah, this was fun. This was fun. I might do this more. If you have any questions, just let me know. I check my YouTube, so see you around.